It's going. No.
I'll go like this.
Dad, do an impossible.
Nope. You gotta slide your foot up.
I did!
See the front foot?
Yeah, that's what I did. Did you not hear it? See, listen, Dad. See?
Do an impossible.
Dad. It doesn't want to. I've got cleats on.
Dad.
15 years I can still
Dad, do an impossible.
Exactly 15 years.
No.
Why?
I've never skateboarded
That was
before
pretty
in my
impossible.
life.
No, do like the impossible.
No, I'm good.
Why?
That's
See, you've done it 15 years.
15 years ago.
Yeah, I haven't even done it once. So,
Do a kickflip then.
Well, I don't know. I'll try.
Try to grind.
Nope.
Try to grind. The
Yeah,
curb.
too wet.
The curb.
I got it up. I didn't land on it though.
I can do that. That's easy.
Streets are too wet to do that.
To do what?
Grind on the curb.
You got the non-broken one.
You don't even know that's broken, do you?
It's broken right here.
No.
On these tires.
No.
Where?
Trucks are broke.
What?
Trucks are broke.
What's the truck?
Axle.
Oh,
I'm still filming.
that's okay. See, I can't land on it.
There you did it. Me and my awesome hat.
Missed. If I'd have hit it, I'd have broke it.
Okay, I'm gonna stop at 2 minutes.
Okay.